Living in a tiny house doesn't mean sacrificing style or comfort. With a little creativity and thoughtful design, you can turn your compact abode into a welcoming and enchanting home. The key to decorating a tiny house is to embrace the beauty of minimalism. Keep clutter at bay and opt for clean lines, simple colors, and functional furniture. Let each piece serve a purpose and create a sense of calm and serenity in your space. Utilize vertical space in a tiny home. Vertical space is a valuable asset. Make use of tall bookshelves, floating shelves, and wall-mounted storage to maximize storage capacity without taking up precious floor space. Showcase your favorite books, plants, and decorative items to add personality and charm. Brighten up your tiny home with ample natural light. Opt for sheer curtains or blinds to allow sunlight to flood in. Use mirrors strategically to create an illusion of space and reflect light throughout the room. Incorporate light colors and reflective surfaces to enhance the feeling of openness and airiness. Multifunctional furniture. Investing in multifunctional furniture is a game changer for tiny homes. Look for pieces that can serve multiple purposes, such as a sofa bed, ottoman with hidden storage, or a folding dining table. These versatile pieces will maximize both functionality and style in your small space. Remember, the beauty of tiny house living lies in the creativity and personalization of your space. Tailor your decor to reflect your individual style and preferences, making it a true reflection of who you are. At Tiny Topanga, we are passionate about helping you create the perfect tiny home that suits your needs and desires. Our team stays up to date with the latest trends and innovations, ensuring that your tiny home is designed with the utmost care and attention to detail. Transform your tiny space into a cozy and welcoming home with these decor ideas. Embrace minimalism, utilize vertical space, and infuse your space with natural elements. With a little imagination and the right design choices, your tiny house will become an enchanting haven you'll love to call home.
Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.